Hi everyone.
Hi.
Show the phone, bro. Show the phone.
It is our iPhone 14 Pro Max.
Yes.
So we are going to open it.
Let's
Front
start.
of you guys.
Let's begin.
Haven't you seen the 3D movie? So this is a 10
He's going to die.
अबे पास कर दे यार.
पास कर दे वीडियो को.
Shit.
Bro ਜੇ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਥੱਲੇ ਚੱਲ ਜਾਵੇ ਫੇਰ.
मार दो ਇਹਨੂੰ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਦਿਨ ਹੀ ਸਤਿਆਨਾਸ਼ ਕਰ ਦੋ ਇਹਦਾ.
Everything goes boom and bam.
Yeah. Think that you have taken a piss.
What are you gonna?
What you did?
What you did, bro?
What you did?
You just took a piss, bro.
Audio Jungle.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, कैसे हैं आप? ठीक ठाक हैं? उम्मीद है आप बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक होंगे। मेरा नाम मोहम्मद वसीम, मेरे साथ में इरफान भाई हैं। इनका नाम पूरा नाम मोहम्मद इरफान करामत है। गाइस, आपकी इन्फॉर्मेशन के लिए ये बताना चाहते हैं, ये वीडियो बन रही है एंड्रॉयड फ़ोन पे, लेकिन हम जा रहे हैं दुबई मॉल एप्पल स्टोर से हम इंशाल्लाह आईफोन परचेज़ करेंगे और उस आईफोन 14 प्रो मैक्स। इरफान भाई, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
ना जी, बहुत शुक्रिया।
इरफान भाई कह रहे हैं ना जी बहुत शुक्रिया, मीनस वो इन्ना ड्राइविंग ते कंसंट्रेट कर रहे हैं कि वो किसी को कंसल्ट नहीं करना चाह रहे। जी नादरीन, जैसा कि ये आपको बुर्ज खलीफा नज़र आ रहा होगा, हम दुबई मॉल की तरफ जा रहे हैं। ये एप्पल स्टोर पे हम आए हैं, हमने फ़ोन परचेज़ कर लिया फाइनली। नाउ वी विल अनबॉक्स दैट फ़ोन।
Yeah.
सो हियर माय ब्रदर.
Yeah.
हाय एवरीवन.
Hi.
Show the phone, bro. Show the phone.
It is our iPhone 14 Pro Max.
Yes.
So we are going to open it.
Let's
Front
start.
of you guys.
Let's begin the show.
Yeah.
We're just gonna unbox this phone and let's see how good it looks because we just paid more
Yeah.
than 6,000. I
Yeah.
hope it's not duplicate though. We're gonna check it now.
Let's start.
Yeah, go ahead, bro. Yes. Sit.
Okay.
Do the waiting, bro. After 6,000 paying.
Yeah. So here is iPhone 14 Pro
Yes.
Max. This is 512 GB.
Yeah.
Okay.
Say good luck to
So-
him, bro.
Good luck, my bro.
ये
Good
इसका
luck.
चार्जर है.
Good luck for this channel, bro.
Good luck for this channel. Yet I don't know the name of channel, but I still good luck.
Yeah, we
want to go
will fix the name. We will fix the name. No issue.
Yeah. This is the charger
Okay.
because ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਆਂਦਾ नहीं है. ये इसका कवर है.
ये कितने का?
Because ये तो गोल्ड कलर का है.
जी.
तो मैंने पर्पल कलर का लिया है.
Okay.
Sometimes we will shuffle.
Yes.
Optional, yeah.
And this is the glass protector.
Okay.
This is 10D, bro.
Yeah, it's not
What are you
10D.
talking?
It's
Yeah.
10D, bro.
1D is enough.
No.
No.
The
Huh?
minimum is 3D, bro.
Yeah.
Haven't you seen the 3D movie? So this is a 10
He's going to die.
glass.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a 10-dimensional glass.
Okay. Open, bro. Oh.
Open. Okay.
What are you waiting?
So.
Bismillah. Say Bismillah.
Bismillah. Wow. How is
Oh my God.
Man is getting too excited to open.
Yeah.
Everyone going excited, bro.
Yeah, because he purchased, so he
Oh,
gets
okay.
double excited, you know.
Same भाई उधर भी कैमरा मारो यार.
Happy birthday to you. Oh my God.
MJ.
Open it.
Gold or white?
Open it.
This is gold or white?
Georges.
George. Glorious. Oh, MJ.
Oh my God.
So there is only cable. Look at that. This is gold.
Congratulations, bro.
Yeah,
Congratulations.
thank you so much. Now we will put the protector on it,
Yeah.
and we will put the cover.
Show the front face of glass.
Okay. So look how satisfying it.
Oh my God.
Bro, just feel it.
Show me.
Just feel it.
Oh my God.
ਲੋਹੇ ਹੀ ਲੱਗਦਾ. ਹਾਂ ਭਾਈ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦੇ ਦਿਓ. ਝਰੀਟਾ ਮਾਰਦਾ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਦਿਨ.
Oh my God.
Oh shit.
Bro ਜੇ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਥੱਲੇ ਚੱਲ ਜਾਵੇ ਫੇਰ.
ਮਾਰ ਦੋ. ਇਹਨੂੰ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਦਿਨ ਹੀ ਸਤਿਆਨਾਸ਼ ਕਰ ਦੋ ਇਹਦਾ.
Everything goes boom and bam.
Yeah. Mayur come here.
No. What if I will throw this one here down?
Just finish.
I think he will go there first.
Yeah, man.
I will throw you there and you have to catch it.
listen, this is a serious case, okay?
Serious
You
case.
know? No,
It's
seriously.
kind of emergency, huh?
Yeah, let me tell you, there was it was about 2012. People used to sell their kids for buying iPhone. You know that?
Tell us about this phone.
Yeah.
As makes you know.
How it's feeling to hold this phone?
It's a god type, you know. First time
See what he's doing.
I'm holding this phone in my hand. I'm feeling like
Oh,
I'm just obsessed because I'm not actually kind of being.
You're obsessed, huh?
An Apple phone because I've been using Samsung phone lately.
Oh my
It's on now.
Here showing blue. See? Blue apple.
Blue apple. ये खाता किन्ने? हाँ मरहबा.
Those are different languages of hello.
Yeah.
This is in case for an optional.
No, bro. We need to put the glass here.
It's protected.
Yeah. Because there is no protection.
Bro, kid.
This is
Oh my god.
Look at this. This color is exquisite. You can feel that color because everyone loves purple.
Yeah,
And if
yeah.
it becomes gold, it's purple gold, man. It's purple. and seriously, I love purple colors.
You love?
No purple.
Yeah, I love purple.
What's your favorite color?
Yeah, purple.
Oh.
I like purple. Make sure you subscribe our channel, Irfan
yeah.
brother.
Hey, the Wasim bhai, Irfan Karamat.
My
The
accent.
giant.
We're
one-
basically here for the party. We're gonna unbox the iPhone 14. So my bro had just bought it all. I don't know what price he didn't even mention about. So we're just gonna unbox all the stuff. So that's why they're giving out the party location, and we're gonna munch it out.
What?
Nice, man.
Here is the KFC. Here is the World Heavyweight Championship Pepsi.
थोड़ा अंदर दिखा दो.
हुमायूं
और
हुमायूं तू अपने साइज मुताबिक आया भरा के लिया कितना था बराबर होते
अबे पास कर दे यार.
पास कर दे वीडियो को
कैसे पास कर दे?
Yet I concluded half and half.
यार पागल की होया तैनू पूरा गिलास ही बड़ा माड़ा किस्मत तेरे वर्गा गिलास है इन्ना हल्का यार क्या दे Oh my god यार This is how we unbox iPhone.
People would think that you have taken a piss.
What are you doing?
What you did?
What you did, bro?
What you did?
You just took a piss, bro.
It's not a dancing place, bro.
So am
What
I
you did?
dancing?
Yeah.
Who is
It's
dancing?
just because of you.
What you did?
ये मेरा
what you-
style- मेरा स्टाइल है
और चटोगे?
और राग होते
Yeah, guys. Now we had a lot of fun, and we are going back to hall.
Finally, we have an iPhone. Yes!
Finally, we have iPhone 14 Pro Max, and
Yes.
we unbox it clearly. We will show in the
Okay,
video,
guys, have a seat,
and
have a
we will
seat.
upload it as soon as the child becomes and we're gonna upload it. You're gonna love it, yeah? You're gonna love it.
Bro,
Inshallah.
Okay, take care. Love you.
bro, okay.
ਅੱਗੇ ਘਰ ਨੂੰ ਚੱਲੀਏ ਭਰਾਵਾ, ਹੋਰ ਕੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਸੋਣਾ? ਪਾਰਕਿੰਗ 'ਚ ਗਰਮੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੈ bro. ਮਾਇਓ